Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study chapter number 2, quadratic equation, practice set number 2.6, question number 1 to question number 5 we will be completing in today's video. So let's start with the first question. The product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is numerically 84. Okay, so this is the equation that we have to form using the given information. Find her present age. We need to find her present age. So first we will suppose Pragati's present age, because whatever we have to find, that is present age, we need to suppose it in x. Okay, so whatever finding we have to do in a problem sum has to be denoted with x. Now her age 2 years ago was, 2 years ago matlab it is going to be minus, isn't it? 2 years, that is why minus 2 we have taken, and x, because her present age we need to minus it with 2 years. Got it? I think this is clear. These two terms you all have to first understand how to arrange the equation, then it becomes very easy for you all to solve. So nothing much to do. Using the given information you all have to follow the rules. And the next was, and 3 years hence its numerical is 84. So using this information, her age 3 years from now, मतलब 2 साल पहले and 3 साल बाद. So पहले के लिए we have to minus it and बाद के लिए मतलब afterwards we have to add it. Therefore we have taken x plus 3. Now these 3 points are very important for you all to write and understand. If you all get this thing correct, then solving the quadratic equation becomes very easy. Now we have to use these two equations from the given condition, that is x minus 2 and x plus 3 is supposed to be 84. Now solving the quadratic equation I have already explained in detail in the previous practice set. The link of those practice set will be given in the description box. Now what we have to do, we have to take x common, then x plus 3, from here x and then x plus 3, same minus 2 and then x plus 3 is equal to 84. Okay, so two different forms you all have got. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply this, so this will become x square, then multiply this will become 3x, same 2x plus and minus 2 into 3 is going to be 6, and this we will move on to the left hand side, so it will become minus 84 is equal to 0, because we need a 0 over here. So directly I have done it over here. You all can add one more step and then write this. Therefore what we have to take, we have to take common, that is x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. So what I have done is I have subtracted this. Therefore I have got x square as it is, and plus and minus is going to be plus. So minus 6 minus 84 is going to be minus 90. I hope this step is clear. So till here we have completed. Now from here we have to expand it in such a way that we will be getting 90. Okay, after multiplication you all should be able to get 90, and after minus or subtraction you all should be able to get 1. So minus 90, isn't it? This is the third term that we need to expand. You all can go and watch the first video. I have explained this in detail, how you all have to split the middle term. This step is known as splitting the middle term. So plus 10 minus 90. So when you multiply this, you will be getting minus 90. Okay, and when you subtract plus and minus, so the answer is going to be x, that is 1x. So you all can write x only. So 10x minus 9x, because we need to take these two terms in order to get both the answers. Minus 90 is equal to 0. Now you all have to make the pairs. So from here we will be getting x plus 10, and from here we will be getting 9 common, x plus 10 is equal to 0, isn't it? So when you multiply, you will see you will be getting these terms only again. So if you are multiplying and getting the same term again, that means this step is correct. Now common term is x plus 10 and x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 10 is equal to 0, or x minus 9 is supposed to be 0. So move your plus 10 to the right hand side, it will be minus 10, and x, your minus 9, will become 9. But the age cannot be in minus, isn't it? We cannot calculate the answer. We cannot say she is of minus 10 age, isn't it? We have to specify a number. So positive number we have to take. Therefore x is equal to 9 is your answer, and Pragati's age, because you all have to conclude it, Pragati's present age is 9 years. Isn't it easy? So what you all have to do is, forming the equation is important, and then rest is very easy to solve. Next question is, the sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural number is 244. Find the numbers. Now two consecutive even numbers. So first what we have to find? We have to find the numbers. So let the numbers be x, okay, and x plus 2. These are the two consecutive even natural numbers that we have to find. Alright, now what we have to do? We have to expand it in such a way that we will be able to get the two consecutive numbers. So therefore x square plus x plus 2 square is equal to 244. Now I will explain you from where did we get this x, because this is the two equations that we have to take, isn't it? The sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers. Two consecutive even natural numbers are this that we have supposed. Okay, square they have said, isn't it? Square, therefore we have to add a square over here. I hope this step is clear. Now what we have to do is x square plus. Now this we have to expand using this formula. Okay, so I've already written it so that you all can understand what we have taken here. Your x is supposed to be a, 2 is supposed to be b, and this expansion we have done over here. So it is very easy, nothing much to explain over here on this step. Therefore I am skipping the formula method, explaining in detail. Now I have just shifted plus 244 to the left hand side, therefore it changed its sign. Now what we have to do? This will become 2x square. Okay, now this we have to write it because we don't have a pair. तो ये जैसा था वैसे. Then we have to plus and minus minus. So minus 240 is equal to 0. Got it? Therefore x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. What I have done is, I have divided this equation with the table of 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 0 as it is. So here you all have to write dividing by 2. Got it? So after doing this, x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. So what you have to do? Splitting the middle term. Over here I have done splitting of middle term, that is minus 120. So कैसे मिलेगा 120? By multiplying 12 with 10 plus sign and minus sign, because we have to take the we have to get the answer as plus 2. So plus 2 तभी मिलेगा if you have taken sign of bigger number. I think this is clear to everyone. This, if you all are not understanding this, children, you all have to go and watch the playlist. In the playlist I have mentioned all the exercises over there. You all can go and watch this step in detail. Now you all have to make the pairs, which is going to be x plus 12 minus 10, x plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 12 is your common answer, x minus 10 is your uncommon numbers. Now from here, x plus 12 is equal to 0 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, separately I have taken it. Now therefore x is equal to plus, when it changes its sign will be minus, and minus will be plus. Now as I said, negative numbers we cannot count in natural numbers, isn't it? Therefore x is equal to 10 is your answer. So x is 10 barabar, and what we needed, the second number, we got x. over here only in question what we have taken x and x plus 2. So x plus 2 क्या होएगा? X plus 2 means 10 plus 2. X is 10 and 2 which will be 12. So the two consecutive numbers we have got. The two consecutive even natural numbers are 10 and 12. Now this question might look a bigger one, but it is very easy to solve, trust me. In the orchard of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each row. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of a flowchart. Now a flowchart has been given. At the end you all have to fill the answers over here in this flowchart. And the steps that they have given, we have to just follow the step as it is. So let the number of trees be x. As I said, whatever we have to find, we have to take it as in the form of x. The number of trees in each row is going to be x plus 5. You all can follow the question. You will get this answer. And the number of trees that we have to find, that is x and x plus 5. This is going to be the two equations that we have to find. So therefore, x and x plus 5 and the total number of trees, orange trees, is supposed to be 150. So we have got our equation. Multiply it, this will be x square plus 5x. This I will change to the left hand side, so it will change to minus. Now x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150. Splitting the middle term step I have done over here. Therefore make the groups x plus 15 and minus 10, x plus 15 is equal to 0. So therefore x plus 15 and x minus 10 is supposed to be 0. Therefore x plus 15 is going to be 0 and x minus 10 is going to be 0. This will be in minus now and this will change to plus. So as I said, minus we don't consider minus sign, negative sign we don't consider the answer. Therefore this is going to be the answer, that is x is equal to 10. Therefore x plus 5, what we have to find? X plus 5, the number of trees. So यहाँ पे x plus 5, x is how much? 10 plus 5 is supposed to be 15. So you all have got the answer. The number of trees in each column and row is 10 and 15 respectively. Okay, now one more thing you all have to do, you all have to fill in the columns that have been given. So you all have to first understand and then write the answer. After finding the answer, you all have to write the number of trees in each row. What was the equation? X plus 5, isn't it? We have taken it. The total number of trees, were how much? X, we have taken it over here, x plus 5. Okay, after this we have to frame an equation. So what is going to be the equation that we have framed? X plus 5 is equal to 150. Find the value of x. X हमें मिल गया, that was 10. And how many trees in each row? 10. And how many trees in each column and rows? 15 respectively. So this writing of this column is important in exam. Next question is, Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore. The sum of their multiplicative inverse of age is 1/6. Find their present age. So present age we have to find. So present age, as I said, we have to make it as x. Then the present age of Vivek, that is x plus 5. Why plus we have taken? Because 5 years older than Kishore. That means we have to take plus over here. The multiplicative inverse of ages is 1/x and 1/x plus 5. Okay, so the sum of the multiplicative inverse is been given. Therefore, we have to take it in the form of fraction. This question is very much important, children. So from the given condition, 1/x plus 1/x plus 5. Forming of equation is important, as I said, and it is very easy. If you all follow the steps from the question, it will be very easy. Now what I have done is cross multiplied it in this way. And x, I have done this cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication is very easy, therefore I am not explaining it. Therefore this will become 2x plus 5, and this is going to be x square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. I hope this step is clear. Therefore, again cross multiply we have to do. 6 multiplied with 2x plus 5 and 1 multiplied with x square plus 5x by cross multiplication method. Okay, therefore you all can mark this sign, no problem. Now what we have to do, multiply it. That is going to be 12x, 5 6 are 30 is equal to x square plus 5x. Therefore x square plus 5x is equal to 12x plus 30. Rearranging the terms, just rearranging we have done, plus 5x. Now I will take this minus 12x over here and plus will become minus 30. Therefore x square minus कर लो, minus 7x आ जाएगा. After minusing this will be the answer. Minus 30 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 10x. Splitting the middle term method you all have to do. Okay, after multiplication you should be able to get 30 and plus and minus करके आंसर आना चाहिए 7x. So when you plus and minus 10x plus 3x, answer will be 7x minus 7x. 10 into 3 will give you 30. I am not explaining this because I have already done this. Plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Common terms we have taken, and common terms we will write it in separate bracket, is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 10 and x is equal to minus 3. I have directly done this. You all can add one step over here by writing is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0 separately. But I have done it orally also. This method you all can do it, no problem. Now as I said, minus answer cannot be considered. Therefore x is supposed to be 10 and x plus 5 will be 10 plus 5 is supposed to be 15. So these are the two answers. The present age or ages of Kishore and Vivek are 10 years and 15 years respectively. Now let's move on to the next question. Suesh scored 10 marks more in the second unit test than in the first unit test. 5 times the marks in the second unit test is equal to the square of the marks in the first unit test. Find his score in the first unit test. So what we have to find? We have to find score of first unit test. तो उसको हमने x mark कर लिया. He scored x plus 10. x plus 10 मतलब 10 marks more है ना. First condition 10 plus x plus 10 in the second unit test. In the second unit test. Next he scored 5 times the marks in the second term. तो मतलब इससे ज़्यादा 5 times. What was the score? उससे 5 times more he has scored. So from the second condition we have got this equation. The square of the marks, then what has been given? This is equal to the square of the marks in the first unit test. तो first unit test के कितने थे? x. इसीलिए x square. Got it? So using this information only, we have framed 3 equations, given equations from the given condition. 5x plus 10 is equal to x square. Got it? So what we have to find? This equation. To directly write it. Therefore x square is equal to 5x plus 10. Therefore x square is equal to 5x plus 50. Forming the equation is important, children. The rest is easy to solve. X square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 10x. Split the middle term so that you will be getting minus 5 after subtracting, and multiplication will give you minus 50. So common terms ले लेते हैं, that is x minus 10 and plus 5x minus 10. Common terms are these, तो उसको पहले लेंगे, and then uncommon, that is x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus will change to plus and plus will change to minus. You all can add a step over here. I have skipped that step. Therefore marks cannot be in negative. So negative answer is not been considered. Therefore, x is equal to 10. So Suyesh, x we have got. So Suyesh scored 10 marks more in the first unit test. Now next questions, that is question number 6 to question number 10, I will be solving in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.